Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is Nandita in Mumbai. This is a story of a Nandita who come to Mumbai with her mother, as her mother was not well. Means for her mother's treatment she just come to Mumbai to her mama and mommy. Her mama and mommy lives in Mumbai. So in this chapter we are going to learn various things. One by one I am just going to tell you the topics only which we are going to discuss in details in our upcoming classes. Okay, so first one, what we are going to learn is various reasons for shifting. Why people shift? Why people move from one place to another? So there are various reasons like medicinal facilities, jobs, in search of jobs, due to construction of dams, buildings, roads, etc. And the first one reason, as I told you yet only, like Nandita, she come to Mumbai as her mother was not well, and in her village there were no good hospitals, no proper medicinal facilities. So for her mother's treatment, for her illness, they all, Nandita with her mother, come to Mumbai where her mama and mommy lives. In search of jobs also, various people shift from one place to another as if they don't have jobs in their native places. Then one of the most important reason for shifting is this also, like various government projects. Like sometimes what government feels a specific place is best suitable for construction of dams, buildings and roads. So what government do? Government shift the people who already lived there from past so many years to some new place, and at that place they start building these things. So this is also one of the reason for shifting. Next, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn various difficulties people face while shifting. Shifting is not an easy process, as you have discussed in previous chapter, changing families also. Tezring, remember, Tezring also moved as his father got promotion as well as transfer to a new place. So shifting is not at all a simple and easy process. So what difficulties people face? Like lot of money and time is required for shifting. To get a new job at new place, that is again a difficulty people face. To get new house also is one of the important problem or the major problem people face during shifting or while shifting. Then we are going to learn difference between lifestyle in villages and metropolitan cities, as Mumbai is a metropolitan city, such a big city, overcrowded city, because lots of job opportunities are there. So people from various parts of India move to Mumbai in search of job. Okay, so what were the differences? Various differences were there. Like Nandita also feel those differences. Like in Nandita's village there is lot of open space. There is no traffic in villages, but in Mumbai there are neither no open space or very small open spaces, and even lots of traffic is there. In Nandita's village there were no problem for water supply. They easily moved to wells, ponds to fetch water, but in Mumbai there is drastically shortage of water, and unhygienic public toilets also is the major problem what she faced in Mumbai. Then we are going to learn the difference between slums and high-rise buildings. When Nandita moved to Mumbai, her mommy worked as a maid in a big house in a high-rise building where lots of flats are there. So Nandita feel that difference in slum, the life is entirely different. There is unhygienic public toilets, but in flats and apartments, proper toilets are there, clean toilets are there, and in slums, very small houses are there where her mama and mommy lives, and high rise building where her mommy work as a maid. So she first time she saw lift also in high rise building. Okay, so these all we are going to discuss in detail in our upcoming videos. We are going to discuss some major problems also which people face living in metropolitan cities, big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore. These are metropolitan cities, overcrowded cities. So what were the problem? Like the most important problem is shortage of water. And reason for shortage of water, the first reason, unequal distribution of water, also one of the, like they don't, the underground source of water is very low there. And the second reason, overpopulation also. The supply of water is not fulfill the needs of that overpopulation, that more population. And limited supply of electricity also, again the reason, overpopulation. Lack of open spaces also. Unhygienic public toilets. Those people who live in slums, a area where very small houses are there, overcrowded, no space, even the house is not having its own toilet, public toilet for 8 to 10 houses, small hut kind of houses. Okay, and lot of traffic there. So a quick recap, what we are going to learn in detail in our upcoming videos. We are going to learn the various reasons for shifting. We are going to learn the difficulties people face while shifting, difference between the lifestyle in villages and metropolitan cities, difference between slum and high-rise buildings in metropolitan cities, and problems faced by people living in metropolitan cities. That's it dear. Thank you for today. So just wait for upcoming classes. We will discuss all this in those classes. Thank you.